Hi guys, I have a package. It's Roblox. I want to get the red, and boots black. And I want that. I want the dress red. Okay, I'm going to get the package. And I want the hair. So I can put him a hair. Anyone I want hair. Okay, the package arrived. Let me get it. It's going here. Oh, thank you. We got the Roblox. Wow. Later we're going to open it. 1, 2, 3, open! Let's open it. Mama, wait lang. Bubuksan ko lang ito. Tapos papakita ko lang ito. What is this? I don't know what is this. We got the Robux. Yeah. What is this? What is this? Open this. Open this. I just paused it, so let's open it. It's black hair. Maybe here. Wait. This one. Oh, this is the broken. Okay.
Ay, nagkakarot pa rin. Bukas na ulit laro. Wala nang pasok eh.
I lost the one.